to daddy real
Don't
quick.
touch it until mommy say.
I'm just feeling them.
No, don't touch.
Oh,
I'll be
man.
right back.
Okay. No. Oh, what's up, guys? Today, when mommy gets back home, I'm gonna eat some fruit snacks. And they're doing something, and I'm doing a video. Sorry about that. What's up, guys? What's up? Fruit snacks coming in the fruit. Coming in the fruit. What's your boy? Fruit snack. It's a screen. What's up, guys? We're in the studio. Up. We're here eating fruit snacks. And we promise to careful down with them. Don't choke on them, because that will hurt your body. But you know I have a my eye. Yeah. And I have a head, new head. Good eye. That's so funny and embarrassing. Yeah, just. Yeah.
Hey, did you wait?
Yeah, I was doing the video.
Did you eat them?
No.
Okay, you can have one. Just one.
Okay.
Good job. I'm so proud of you for being patient.
A video of us